Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys alarm ringtone setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set your alarm ringtone means your alarm song guys you want to set in your Tecno phone. So guys how can you set and guys how can you use guys your alarm ringtone setting in a Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to set our alarm ringtone sound. After on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys your sound and vibration. So as I will tap here, then guys you can see this type of setting. Then guys scroll it. Then guys click on guys your default alarm sound means ringtone. So as which ringtone guys you like guys you want to add guys and guys you want to add any ringtone. So guys you can add from here. So example for guys I will take guys this morning and guys you can see this down beautiful day. So example for guys, we will click on this beautiful day and guys, okay. So as you can see guys, your alarm ringtone has set it means sound beautiful day. So example, and guys you can see guys your alarm ringtone sound and guys you can adjust your alarm ringtone sound from here. So are your friends you have understood how to set alarm ringtone in a Tecno phone? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.